Hello children. So children, today in this video we will discuss on chapter 11, that is teeth, beaks and claws. Now children, let's read this. We already know that our mouth has tongue and teeth. We use our teeth not just for eating but also for tearing or clutching. So children, we know that we have tongue and teeth inside our mouth, and we use our teeth not just for eating but also for tearing or clutching food. Today here we will see on teeth of animals. Teeth of animals. Just like human beings, animals have different types of teeth. Animals use their teeth for clutching, biting and chewing their food. The teeth of animals are different depending upon the food they eat. So children, here, just like human being, animals they also have different types of teeth. Animals use their teeth for clutching, for biting, chewing their food. And the teeth the animals have are depend upon their food they eat. Now first we will see on teeth of herbivores. Herbivorous animals such as cows, goats and horses have sharp incisors in the front part of their mouth. They have them to bite grass and leaves from plants. So children, here you see these herbivorous animals, they have sharp incisors in front of their mouth. And these incisors, it helps them to bite the grass and leaves from the plants. Now we will see on herbivores have strong and flat molars towards the back of their mouth. And these animals, they have flat molars towards the back of their mouth. These are perfect for grinding, and these molars are perfect for grinding. They do not have teeth for tearing, so there is a gap between the incisor and the molar. So they do not have teeth for tearing. They just have this incisor for biting. So there is a gap between the incisor in the molar. Animals like cows, sheep and giraffes have jaws that move up and down as well as from side to side. So these animals, cows, sheep and giraffe, they have jaw. This part is the jaw. They have the jaw, and this jaw, they move up and down. Also, they move side to side. This allows them to easily chew and grind food. This movement, it helps animals to easily grind or chew their food. So now children, we will try to solve some questions and we will move on to another topic. So children, now we will see on teeth of carnivores. We have seen the teeth of herbivores. Now we will see on teeth of carnivores. Carnivores are animals that eat meat. So we know that carnivores are those animals that eat meat, that eat flesh of other animals. They have sharp canines that they use for tearing meat. They have very sharp canines, and that canine is for tearing meat. Canines are long and pointed. The molars of the carnivores are also sharp and used for slicing rather than chewing because they mainly swallow their food in whole chunk. So you see children, these carnivorous animals, they have these smaller teeth, and their molar teeth are also sharp unlike in herbivores. And this molar they use for slicing rather than chewing their food because these animals they mainly swallow their food in a whole chunk. Lions, tigers, dogs and cats have these kinds of teeth. Now we will see on teeth of omnivores. Omnivores eat both plants and animals, so they have different types of teeth for eating different kinds of food. So we know that omnivores they eat both plants and animals. So these animals they have different types of teeth for eating their different kinds of food. Human beings also fall in this category. Even we human beings also fall in this category. That means in omnivores. These animals have canines and incisors to rip and cut food into smaller bits. So These animals, these omnivorous animals, they have canines and they also have incisors to rip and to cut the food into smaller bits. They have flat, rich molar at the back of their mouths. So they have these flat, rich molars at the back of their mouth to grind the food. Bear, chimpanzee, and raccoons have this type of teeth. So, children, now we will try to solve some more questions and we will end up this video.